Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to filter product by size, color, brand or price in your JD Sports account. So for that case, you have to first of all go and open up a browser and type in global.jdsports.com. That is going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, in order to filter product by size, color, brand or price, you have to go ahead and select the product. First of all, let's see that I'm gonna go with the random product for the sake of this video. And next, what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and select the one. Over here you had this sort of filter. So in order to filter it, you have to go to the field that says sort by and press on it. In here you have this option as latest, name A to Z, price, low, high, all of these. You can go through all of these accordingly, and then it's gonna be filtered accordingly. So that is how you can filter your product by size, color, brand or price in your JD Sports account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.